Yes, we have discussed what is tree. We are calling as what, yeah, all the nodes that is arranged in what hierarchical order. This is what your hierarchical structure. Root node is also called as what your parent node, which contains a number of children. Internal node is a node which contains what childrens. What about leaf node? Leaf node is a node which does not have any child nodes. Okay, then what is mean by height of the tree? Or else you can call as how we are going, what is mean by height of the tree. So height of the tree is a tree in which it is a path from root node to leaf node. Okay, from root node to leaf node we are calling as what? Height of the tree. Height of tree. Okay, what is mean by height of tree means a path from root node to leaf node. See, this is my root node and this is my leaf node. The path from root to leaf we are calling as what? Height of the tree. Then what is mean by depth? Okay, what is mean by depth of a tree? Depth of tree, it's a just reverse of that one. Okay, path from leaf node to parent node. Okay, path from leaf to root. Path from leaf node to root node. Okay, so height of a tree means we are considering a path from root node to leaf node. So what is mean by depth of the tree? This and all very important for 1 mark. What and all the definitions we are discussing, that is what is root node, what is internal sub node, leaf node, height of a tree, depth of a tree, everything it is important for 1 mark definition. What is mean by depth of a tree? A path from leaf node to root node we are calling as what? Depth of the tree. And the next one is what? What is degree? Degree of tree. So degree of a tree indicates that what are the maximum number of nodes that is present in a tree. Maximum number means how many nodes we used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the degree of tree is what? 16. So degree of tree means what is the maximum number of nodes that is used in a tree. Okay, this is what tree. Okay, this and all the concept which is very important for 1 mark. Next one is what? Binary tree. Next one is what? Binary. See, what is mean by binary tree? Binary tree is a tree which contains 2 decandents. Okay, which is having what? 2 decandents. 2 decandents means which contains 2 nodes. Okay, any tree which has 2 nodes, 2 child nodes, we are calling as what? Binary tree. Okay, and here binary tree has been divided into 2 parts: node, left node and right node. Consider this is a node. Okay, this is left node, one more node, left node, and this is right node. Okay, this particular thing we are calling as what? Binary tree. Binary tree is a tree which is having what? 2 decandents. This is 2 decandents, in the sense a tree which has 2 children we are calling as what? Binary. Binary means 2. Okay, so and it is mainly used in decision making. Okay, it is mainly used in decision making like yes or no, true false condition. We are using word binary tree. And also in computer language. You know computer language, that is computer can understand only which is in the form of zeros and ones. Okay, 0 and 1, no other information. That time we are using what? Binary tree. One in decision making, that is yes or no or true or false, and the second one in computer language we are using what? Binary tree. So see here, this is a node and we have 2 parts, left node and right node. This is a binary tree. Assume that one more we are having. Yes, this is binary tree. How means see here. This node is having two children. Again, this left node is having two children. Again, this left node is having what? Two children. Okay, and assume that this is the node. Again, we are having two nodes. See here. A node which is having what? Left node followed by two children. Right node followed by two children. Again, one node which is having what? Two children. Okay, this type of tree we are calling as what? Binary tree. Now I am going to take up to here. Okay, so any tree which is having two child nodes, we are calling as what? Binary tree. Suppose assume that we don't have this one. What will happen? So this part will become what? Your binary tree. Okay, any node, at least it is having how many nodes? Two binary tree. Now what is mean by complete tree? Complete tree means a leaf node reaches to the maximum distance. Okay, the leaf node which is having what? The maximum distance. Okay, so what is mean by complete tree? This is very important. What is mean by complete tree means a leaf node which is having a maximum, okay, which has a maximum path to the reach. See here, all the leaf node is at what? Same distance. Okay, all the leaf node is at the same distance. We are calling as what? Complete tree. In the sense, all the maximum values of what? Your node. In the sense, all the maximum values of what? Your two subtrees. See here. From node we are having two. Again from node we have two. Okay, a complete node or a complete tree is a tree in which each and every node is having at least two children. Okay, each and every node is having at least two child node. We are calling as what? Complete tree. And this is your parent node and this is what? Your leaf node. Next one is what? Your graphs. Okay, what is mean by graphs? Graph, I can call it is a collection of node, and the node we are calling as what? Vertices. See, graph means it is a collection of node. That node we are calling as what? Vertices. And each node is connected with one another. That connection we are calling as what? Edges. That connection we are calling as what? Edges. See, consider consider this is an example. This is node A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so graph means it is a collection of nodes. How many nodes here we have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These nodes we are calling as what? Vertices. And one node and another node is connected with what? A link. This link we are calling as what? Edges. This one we are calling as what? Edges. And this is what? Your vertices. Okay, so suppose if you want to identify how many number of vertices and edges are there in this one means, so we have vertices, how many? 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 5. Okay, how many edges? See, edges means you have to consider both unidirectional and bidirectional. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Edges means 7. How? See here. From here to here we have only one direction, so 1. From here to here we have bidirection. Okay, it can C can reach to B and B can reach to what? C. So 1, 2, 3. Then here we have only one direction, so 4. Here bidirection. D can reach A can reach B. So 5, 6 and 7. So you have to count what? Your arrow marks. So that will become what? Your edges. Yes, my dear students, this completes your data structure chapter, and it is very important concepts. We have discussed many operations, many types, and many algorithms and trees and graphs, and this is what your non-linear data structure. In non-linear data structure, you can expect one mark questions like what is height of tree, what is depth of tree, degree, root node, parent node, leaf node, like that, and what is trees and graphs. But you concentrate on this chapter, and it is very important. From this chapter you will get 14 marks, and what and all the algorithms I have explained, you try to practice it every day. Every day at least two algorithms you practice it, because each and every algorithm, that is very important for 5 marks. Okay, if you learn five steps or 6 steps, okay, and it will be helpful for you. And operations also, operations on stack, queues, linked list, everything that is important. And some operations that is same from one concept to another concept. Just concentrate on this chapter. If you feel any difficulty anywhere, if you have doubts, you can ask me. Okay, I am ready to clarify your doubts, and try to practice each and every algorithm without fail, and it is very easy. Anywhere if you are not able to understand, I am ready to clarify your doubts. And this completes your chapter.